Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on data storage with Google Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your data storage needs. Evaluate the types of data you will be storing. Determine the frequency of access required for that data. Choose the appropriate Google Cloud storage class for your needs. Consider using standard storage for frequently accessed data. Use nearline storage for data you access less than once a month. Opt for coldline storage for long-term storage of infrequently accessed data. Archive data that you no longer actively use but need to retain. Utilize Google Cloud's Object Lifecycle Management feature. Set up rules to automatically transition data to lower-cost storage classes. Assess your data transfer needs to minimize costs. Use Google Cloud's transfer service for efficient data migration. Take advantage of cloud credits and free tiers when you're starting out. Monitor your usage regularly through Google Cloud Console. Utilize billing alerts to stay informed about your spending. Consider consolidating storage locations to reduce egress costs. Use Google Cloud's commitment plans for long-term savings. Evaluate and adjust your storage strategy based on your analytics. Regularly delete any unnecessary or obsolete data. Keep your backup sufficient by only retaining essential copies. Implement a data organization system to streamline access. Foster a culture of data management within your team to ensure ongoing efficiency. By following these steps, you can effectively save on data storage costs with Google Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.